This iMachining operation finishes the circular face on the underside of the part. Double-click on iRough Face Back in the CAM Manager to open the iMachining operation dialog. In the Geometry branch, we can see two chains are defined, with the first being the outside boundary of the face, and the second being an offset edge created in Sketch 1 in the assembly. The first chain is marked as open, and the second offset chain is closed. The 1/2-inch diameter end mill will be used again for this operation, and we can see that the milling levels have been selected in the Levels branch. Now, let's simulate our toolpath. In HostCAD, we see that a spiral toolpath is performed from the outside, collapsing towards the inner chain. Let's also look at the simulation using Solid Verify. Finally, let's exit the simulation and operation dialogs.